Hey everyone, this is David. I'm back again making another YouTube video. The purpose of this video is, well, we're in the bathroom here and the toilet is running. And I think it's the Fluidmaster, the flexible flapper. It's leaking, it's making a lot of noise. The toilet's running and we think it may be this that needs to be replaced. So we went ahead and got this on Amazon. It's a replacement. I think it's a 2-inch flapper, and we're going to install it and see if this will take care of our problems. So the first step in taking care of the problem is to turn off the water to the toilet. So what we did here is you have to locate where the water is coming in. And we already did this, but make sure that it's off. Second thing is we're going to take off the top of the tank and we're going to put it somewhere so that it doesn't break very carefully. So go ahead, take it off. I'm going to put it right here. Now we're going to look inside and we can see that we're going to replace the Fluidmaster, the flapper that's located right here. So this may take a little while, and then we'll pause the video, and then we'll come back and show you if it works or not. I'll be back in a few minutes. Take care. Bye-bye. I think we might have to change, get it like tighter, but we'll see. Oh, looks good. Well, thank you for watching. I think it's fixed, but what we'll do is we'll keep all the parts, and between between the chains, we'll figure out how to get it working. But I think it's working. It stopped. There's no noise. It's quiet, and I'm going to try it out and see how it goes. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we're going to put back the top. Be very careful when you place it back. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.